Okay, Pratima, Naveli by ZP by elections and you are campaigning here. Response kaso agara-garan janadun bawdana.
Well, I would like to tell that I am feeling blessed. I'm really feeling blessed as I have started my campaign right from the second when I filed my nominations. I didn't wait to waste time because maka last minute ticket, I have been nominated at the last moment because I was denying the ticket. Because my well-wishers were like, you have worked for Congress for 12 years, you have been a loyal Congresswoman and we want to see you at a higher up place. But then I could not say no to the High Command and of course to the local leaders of Goa. They thought that by-elections in Navili is a prestige issue for Congress. आता ज्यांना हा भोवला आमकां टोटल लागतात 17 wards. Navili is the biggest constituency, 17 wards लागतात. Altogether 18 because those parts are also there. So 18 wards, I have almost covered up 10 wards. I have gone around in Telaulim, I have gone to Dalgona, I have gone to Kalwado, I have gone to Ratwado, I have gone to Nagmore, I have gone to Cruz Nagar, I have gone to Cairo Nagar. So Butikas also I have done. So we are today at the Nagmore junction. I will be starting with Sinkedi. After Sinkedi, माझे उल्हाते रावरा, मांडोप, मोडी, सारजोरा, रामापूर आणि सिल्ली. सांगूंक दिसता सांगपाकचें म्हणल्यार I am very happy because the minute I enter the house, I don't have to give an introduction. Because Pratima Putizno is not a new face. Maka introduction दिवपाचे गरज ना. With warm smiles, with warm welcome, especially the women and the youth, they welcome me saying that the Iron Lady of Goa is here at our place. So, and they tell me directly, Madam, तुका time waste करपाचो गरज ना, तू कांयच भियेनाका. We will show, Navilkar will show, because we want this face in Navili and we will vote for Congress म्हणून. Because they have seen my work. Ladies appreciate, Madam, तुका आमी पयले म्हणटात, सिलिंडर तकलेर मारून सिलिंडराचे एजिटेशन केला ते. मॅडम म्हणटा पेट्रोल मारप जालें ते गाडी तुमी ओडून वयले ते आमी पयला म्हणटा. चड म्हाका हॅप्पी दिसता की नाविलचे जाय ते सीमेन आहात ते सांगतात की तू हे सीएमाच्या बंगल्या भायर वचून आमकां लागून झगडलोले, तुजेर केस जाल्या आनी म्हणल्यार इलेक्ट्रिसिटी लागून म्हारग जाल्ली कोविड पॅन्डेमिकात तेन्ना देखून तुवें एज्युटेशन केलां आनी स्पेशली हाऊसवाईफ स्कीम जे बंद जाल्ले हांवें थंय व्हरून धरना केल्ली. विश्वजीत राणेन रोखडेंच विदीन 8 days हाऊसवाईफ स्कीम स्टार्ट केल्ल्यो. सो मेनी इश्यूज वॉट आय हॅव टेकन, Goan are familiar with it and especially Navilkar. I am happy that was a public demand from the Navili local leaders, especially from my high command and Goan leaders. And he would like to say when I have covered up, I am getting more and more response. So I am expecting that we will be getting highest thumping majority नेतले म्हणून. कित्याक जो नावेलीकारांचो जो मोग म्हाका मेळ्ळलो आसा, वेलकम जी मेळ्ळली आसा, आय एम शुअर इट इज गोन बी अ win-win situation for Navili. दुसरे म्हणल्यार हांव अपील करूंक सोदतां म्हज्या नावेलीकारांक, म्हज्या नावेली कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीत पडटा तांकां, तशेंच दामापूर, सिल्ली आनी सारजोराच्या लोकांक. तुमी पळयलां आसतलें हेज्या पयलें बाय इलेक्शन जावपाचे पयलें आमचो बाबूश कॅन्डिडेट कोविडान पासार जाला. तेच्या पयलें बीजेपीन कॅन्डिडेट दवरूं नाशिल्लो हांगा बीजेपीन दवरूं नाशिल्ले, फकत इंडिपेंडंट आनी तो बाबूश आमचो काँग्रेसाचो आसलो आनी म्हाका दिसता आम आदमी. पूण आतां तांकां खंय तरी भिरांत पडल्या जेन्ना प्रतिमा केम इन टू द फ्रे दे हॅव पुट अ बीजेपी कॅन्डिडेट. दीस इज ओनली देअर मंत्रा इज दॅट दे नो दे विल नॉट बी एबल टू डिफीट प्रतिमा, बट बीजेपीज मंत्रा इज दॅट बाय फायलिंग बीजेपी कॅन्डिडेट दे फील पीपल विल वोट फॉर. थोडे लोक इंडिपेंडंटाक घालतले, थोडे लोक आम आदमी घालतले आनी थोडे बीजेपी घालतले आनी तांकां बीजेपीक चान्स पडटलो म्हजे वोट उणे जावन. बट नो, the people of Naveli, Congress at heart are always there and especially others also are coming and telling me घेवपाची गरज ना. हे सीएमाचो डायलॉग आयज म्हाका नावेलीचो लोक सांगता आनी आय एम कॉन्फिडंट कित्याक तो खुशाय अर्थान म्हणटा ते खबर ना, पूण नावेलीचो लोक आमचो उतराचो मनीस, उतराचो लोक. आतां तुमी आनी पळयलां आसतलें गोंयांत कितें चलपाक लागलां तें. गोंयांत दादागिरी चलपाल्या हें गोंयकारांक कळपाक जाय. स्पेशली म्हज्या नावेलकारांक आनी सारजोरा, रामापूर, सिल्ली लोकांक सांगूं सोदता, काल इलेक्शन म्युन्सिपालिटीचे फॉर्म भरपाक गेले तेन्ना अरे एकलो बापडो काँग्रेसाचो कॅन्डिडेट बीजेपी वेट one person went to file his nominations. Don't interrupt. One person went to file his nominations. बीजेपीचे जे कार्यकर्ता आसा स्ट्रॉंग तेणी येवन ताका आडायलो. तो व्हिडिओ व्हायरल गेलो. ताका ते म्हणपाक लागले तूं फॉर्म भरपाना, तेका म्हणपाले आमकां तुजे कडेन उलोवपाक जाय. आमचे काँग्रेसाचे लिडर म्हणपाले जे आशिल्ले लोकल की अरे ताका फॉर्म भरपाक दी, ताका फॉर्म भरपाक दी. दिस इज डेमोक्रेसी. हाऊ कॅन बीजेपी डू दीस दादागिरी? ही कसली दादागिरी चल्ल्या? आणि बाय द वे these elections which are there are not fought on any lines. Why you are scared? तुम्ही कित्याक लोकांक आडयतात? बीजेपी कित्याक भिरांत पडल्या? डेमोक्रेसी कोणाकूय रायट हा बसपाक आनी निवडून येवपाक. दुसरे म्हणटा ते चिकाली काल. चिकाली सगळ्या तो व्हिडिओ इतलो व्हायरल जाला, हांव निशेध करता, हांव कंडेम करता. एडवोकेट प्रतिमा बेत्सी कुतिनो कंडेम करता जे काल दादागिरी मोविन गुदिनो जो मिनिस्टर आसा ताजो PA लिगोरियो आनी तांच्या कार्यकर्त्यांनी बीजेपीन केल्या ती. ते बाय इलेक्शनाक ते चेडू जिखून आयले, ते इंडिपेंडंट जिखून आयले, अनपोज जिखून आयले. ताज्या तेणे बाबडे ते ताका युथान क्लबांनी ताका सपोर्ट केलो आनी ते अनपोज म्हणून निवडून आयले. आनी फादर बॉलमॅक्स म्हणटा तो आमचो पाद्रीच्या आंगार हो लिगोरियो आनी ताजे कार्यकर्ता बीजेपीचे गेले, ताका अटॅक केलो आनी ताजे कडेन दादागिरी करपाक लागले. आनी त्या चेडवाच्या घरा वचून खंय बुरश्यो गाडयो मारल्यो की ना आमचे तू कॅन्डिडेट तुवें डिक्लेअर करपाक जाय तू बीजेपी म्हणून. जेन्ना ते चलयेन सांगले नो इट इज आय एम इंडिपेंडंट, आय एम सपोर्टेड बाय द पीपल ऑफ चिकाली, स्टील दे डीड दादागिरी. दिस बीजेपी कार्यकर्तास अटॅक्ड फादर बॉलमॅक्स विच वी कंडेम व्हेरी हायली. आय वॉन्ट टू टेल बीजेपी प्लीज स्टॉप दिस दादागिरी. अदरवायज एक काम करा, इलेक्शनच दोन नाका. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन तुम्ही फॉलो करून नाल्यार इलेक्शन दोन नाकात. तुमचे राज आसा तुम्ही घेवन बसात. दिस इज व्हेरी बॅड that respected Father Bolmex was attacked. If today the spiritual leaders, religious leaders are attacked, आणि आमचे कितें उरलां? हांव सांगूंक सोदतां गोंयकारांक न्ही, प्लीज when you vote wisely. Think which person you are voting for. The Congress is a secular party. नावेलकारांक सांगता प्लीज तुमचे मोलादीक वोट हो म्हाका घालात आनी भरपूर मोठांनी जिखून हाडात. कित्याक की चिकाली जे बीजेपी कार्यकर्त्यांनी दादागिरी केल्या फादराचेर, केप्याच्या मनशाक हाडयला साऊथ डिस्ट्रिक्टान. दिस इज नॉट डेमोक्रेसी. एवरी पर्सन हेज गॉट रायट टू वोट. तांकां सांगले खंय ते इंडिपेंडंटाक चलयेक सांगले खंय चिकालीच्या जिखला तेका तुका आमी कांयच फंड्स दिवपाना, कांयच डेव्हलपमेंट करपाना. हांव सांगू सोदता त्या चलयेक आय एम देर इन युअर फायट. प्रतिमा कुतिनो इज देर इन युअर फायट. वी वील फायट. इट इज नॉट तांच्या बापाचे फात न्ही आनी बापायचो पयसो न्ही. दिस इज रेव्हेन्यू पीपल, आमचे टॅक्स पेयर्साचे पयशे. वी इफ अनवॉन्ट्स देर इज अ वील देर इज अ वे. आमी झगडुया, धाडावया टेबल आणि काम करून घेऊया म्हणून. सो आय एम देर विथ फादर बॉलमॅक्स. आय एम देर विथ एव्हरीवन फॉर द राईट अँड वी हॅव टू फाईट फॉर राईट. वोट फॉर ॲडव्होकेट प्रतिमा कुतिनो, वोट फॉर काँग्रेस, वोट फॉर हँड.
Okay. Now we have started the campaign. झाले एक 4 दीस जाले. आमचे कॅन्डिडेट काँग्रेसाचे बाय प्रतिमा, ताका बरो सपोर्ट आहा. People are coming out willingly. They are saying, you please come to our house, visit us. And they are waiting to see her face. Because I remember sometimes when she's not there, we go around. But then people request us, where is she gone? Just tell her to come and see us. She is so powerful and so demanding in Navani. I am sure she will definitely win with a thumping majority. But, as I said, we will make sure that we will work for the development of Navani. For the last 10 years, whoever has represented Navani, that much work was not done. It must have been done, and probably we want a better candidate who will work with creative mind. Pratima is a candidate who can definitely win in Navani with a good support, and all people are there to support her.
Okay, Pratima, does it mean that Janna tumka ZP ki ticket dila, that you have left your hopes on assembly ticket?
See, I am actually basically a Congress loyalist. My past, I would like to tell, 24 years I have served the Congress party. Unconditionally I have supported. I have been on the front ranking positions. I had just joined Youth Congress with the fee of 1 rupee. From there I came to block. From block I went to higher position, that is the state committee. And when I had gone for Aam Aadmi Sipahi camp in Hyderabad, Rahul Gandhi saw me talking there, interacting there. And then our Youth Congress President Sankalp Amonkar, ताका direct सांगले कि this lady, this woman has to be made as the Vice President of Youth Congress. And from there, it was no turning back. I got the support. After doing my law, I became the legal chairman of the Youth Congress. Council elections हांव जिखले. मडगांव काउन्सिलांत हांव जिखले with thumping majority. हजारांनी वोट म्हाका लोकांनी घातले. वायस चेअरपर्सन जिखलें हांव आनी चेअरमॅन जालें मार्केटाचें म्युनिसिपालिटी मार्केटाचें मारगांवच्या आनी थंय हांवें खूब डेव्हलपमेंट केलें. मागीर म्हाका वेन आय वॉज गिवन बाय द हाय कमांड दिस थिंग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ महिला काँग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट केलें. लास्ट 4 वर्सां तुमी पळयलां आसतलें म्हजें काम तुमी पळयलां आसतलें. हांवें कशें काँग्रेस जिती दवरल्या ती. जेन्ना म्हाका लोकांनी सांगलें लास्ट मिनीट म्हजी MP टिकेट गेली तेन्ना दॅट यू आर अ स्ट्रॉंग कॉन्टेंडर म्हणून. That's the reason I had said, no, I am working so hard, I have to go and sit in the assembly so I can serve the people of Goa at large. But then, in the interest of the party, because the High Command requested me and said your sacrifices will not go in vain, I humbly accepted this. Because yes, for us, for me, it's not about power. No position is small or big. As MP aspacha हांव, as ZP बसता, but it is not small. काम करपाचें मनशाक खंय काम करपाक जाता. And my party has kept that in mind. That after such a thing that I have sacrificed and taken this position that I am contesting. So future is big. Maka future, there is lot of time for me. I'm just young. I'm just out of 30s. So I'm too young. And I know that somewhere I'll be there. It's after all the people and the Almighty. So I'm going by destiny. Thank
But
you.
next assembly elections, can Pratima contest? Or what is it?
Yeah, I am right now focusing on ZP. For me, what future I don't know. फाल्यां कोणा कडेन कितें जातलें तें खबर ना. In the past, when I worked in COVID, giving people, ladies, sanitary kits, when I went giving food grains, when I went giving chai to police officers, felicitating our COVID heroes, maka COVID zale. And 17 days I was in the private room in GMC. But maybe God Almighty and the prayers of Goans brought me back, and I'm here with all energy. So you never know about tomorrow. I am the person who believes, take one day at a time. One day at a time.
There is a saying that you have been made a scapegoat by giving this ZP instead of giving the assembly seat.
See, different people have जायत्या लोकांक different भाशेन तोंडां आसा, जायते उलोवपाक जातात. But I am telling you, I have humbly accepted this in the interest of the party and demand of Navili people and my leaders on top there. I have taken this, I will fight it out. आणि कोणाक बकरा करपाक जायना. कित्याक आफ्टर ऑल पावती कोण दिता? लोक दिता. आनी हांवें जें आयज काम केल्लें आसा म्हज्या मॅनिफेस्टोचेर पळय आसा, in hundreds photos are there. People know Pratima's work. Nobody can be made scapegoat. People know my work. People are gonna vote for Congress. This time it's gonna rock. Navili is gonna, आमचो फ्लॅग म्हणटा तो नावेली काँग्रेसाचो झंडा वयर काडून दाखयतलें. Last 10 years, independent was here. But let me tell you all, if 10 years are more than enough to do more development, you all see the candidate given by Congress, a new face, an energetic face, youth, woman empowerment, and it's a person who has been loyal and a fighter, and that is the reason I say the name given to me by Goans as an Iron Lady. I have taken up this challenge to go on and not look back. I will तसलें एक पाटी तलवार काडलें त्या तलवाराक रगत येवपाक जाय, नाजाल्यार that battle is not.
No, but
So
the one
I am
more-
going for it because Navili people are with me. I am getting very good feedback from Sarzora, Silli and Ramapur also, because they are saying Congress first time has given us a party candidate that is hand,
Pratima,
which was
one
never
more-
there in the
One
past.
more thing is that you might say that you are confident of your victory and all.
Huh?
But you might say that you are confident of your victory, but at the same
I
time,
at the same time I'm not overconfident.
no, at the
I'm
same
keeping my
time,
profile low.
government is not yours, chairperson is not yours. Without the support of the government, chairperson, you can't do work in ZP.
Let me tell you straight सांगता तुका. आयज जो इंडिपेंडंट कॅन्डिडेट बसलेलो आहा तो सिप्रू कार्दोजो, ही इज बोस्टिंग. म्हजे कडेन हो सरपंच आसा, म्हजे कडेन इतले पंचायत आसा, म्हजे कडेन इतले पावर आसा, म्हजे कडेन बॅकिंग आसा. म्हाका सांगपाक जाय तेका की म्हाजे कडेन म्हजे महिला काँग्रेसाचे कार्यकर्ता आसा, म्हजे कडेन प्रत्येक वॉर्डांत म्हजे कडेन पंच जे हार्डवर्किंग आसात, अनओपोज येयल्ले आसा बाय रिमा भाशेन, बाय मिलाग्रिना भाशेन. म्हाका लोकांची चड गरज. आयज म्हाका व्हडले व्हडले लिडरांची गरज ना. आयज म्हजो 7वो दीस हांव कॅम्पेन करता नावेलीन. हांव बारीक लोकांक घेवन भोंवता, वाड्या वयले थोड्यांक न्ही, असल्या ऑनेस्ट पंचांक न्ही घेवन, आनी म्हाजी टीम ऑल द वे दे कम. म्हाका येवन सकाळीं म्हज्या दारार मारता म्हजी टीम. आनी बाब फ्रँकी आय कांट फॉरगेट हू इज द पिलर. आय फील ही इज द पिलर ऑफ नावेली हू इज स्टँडिंग बाय मी. We are not boasting like BJP who have got power. They will judge because it's last is what they see the candidate who is educated, who will fight for us, who will do for us, who is experienced, who will not run away from the battle. That's me. आणि खंयचेंय काम करपाक हांवें सांगलां, पावराचीच गरज ना, तोंड आनी हिम्मत आसपाक जाय काम करपाची. ते असले जाल्यार खंयचेंय काम करपाक शकतात. देव बरें करूं.
थँक्यू.
जय हो.